Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I will teach you class 8th science sums on textbook page number 22 from question number 5th. Complete the following tables. We will solve first table. On first table, first one is given mass 350 kilogram, volume 175 cubic meter, density out find. On first table, first one, what is given, you have to write again. Mass is equal to 350 kilogram, volume is equal to 175 cubic meter. You have to find density. The formula of density will be density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass how much is given, volume how much is given, you have to write that. That is density is equal to 350 upon 175. You have to divide the number 350 by 175. 175 2 is going 350. 350 minus 350 is 0. Therefore density is equal to 2 kilogram per cubic meter. So first one answer you have to write on first table in first blank. Next, mass you have to find. Volume is 190 cubic meter. Density is 4 kilogram per cubic meter. In question what is given, you have to write it again. Volume is equal to 190 cubic meter. Density is equal to 4 kilogram per cubic meter. Mass you have to find. The formula of mass will be density into volume. Density how much is given number and volume how much is given number, you have to write. That is equal to 4 into 190. Multiply it 4 into 190. How much is getting? I have multiplied here. After multiplying 190 into 4, I am getting answer 760. That is equal to 760 kg. Therefore mass is equal to 760 kg. On first table, second answer you have to write here, 760 kg. Now we will solve question number 5th, second one. Density of metal you have to find. Density of water is 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. Relative density is 5. Relative density is equal to 5. Density of water is equal to 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. You have to find density of a metal. Density of a metal formula will be density of a metal is equal to relative density into density of water. Relative density how much is given and density of water how much is given. Write that number in multiplication form. That is equal to 5 into 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. You have to write the answer over here on second table. Next, density of metal is 8.5 into 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. Density of water is 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. You have to find relative density. Density of a metal is equal to 8.5 into 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. Density of water is equal to 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. Relative density is equal to question mark. The formula of relative density is density of metal upon density of water. Density of metal and density of water how much is given, write that. That is equal to 8.5 into 10 cube upon 10 cube. 10 cube get cancelled. If you divide the same number, quotient is coming 1. So that's why I have to cancel this, both numerator and denominator. So what will be the answer? 8.5. Therefore relative density is equal to 8.5. You have to write this answer over here on second table. Now we will solve question number 5th, third table. You have to find weight. Area is 0.04 square meter. Pressure is 20,000 Pascal. Pressure is equal to 20,000 Pascal. Area is equal to 0.04 square meter. Weight is equal to question mark. The formula of weight will be weight is equal to pressure into area, that is equal to 20,000 into 0.04. I have multiplied 20,000 into 0.04. Answer is getting 800. Here 2 decimal place is there after decimal point. So answer will come before 2 decimal place to put the decimal point. That is equal to 800 Newton. This answer you have to write here on third table. Next, weight is 1500 Newton. Area is 500 meter square. Pressure you have to find. Weight is equal to 1500 Newton given. Area is equal to 500 square meter given. Pressure is equal to question mark. The formula of pressure will be pressure is equal to weight upon area. Weight how much is given and area how much is given, you have to write that number. That is equal to 1500 upon 500. 0 0 get cancelled. So what will remain? 15 upon 5. Now you have to divide the number 15 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Quotient how much you are getting, that will be the answer. Therefore, pressure is equal to 3 Pascal. You have to write the answer over here on third table. Next, question number 6. The density of a metal is 10.8 into 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. Find the relative density of the metal. The relative density of the metal formula we already studied on question number 5th, second table. After solving this question number 6 word problem sum, you should get this answer. So let's begin solving this sum. Density of a metal is equal to 10.8 into 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. Density of water is equal to 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter. Remember, in relative density formula, density of water always should be 10 cube kilogram per cubic meter, even if it is not given in word problem sum. Relative density is equal to question mark. The formula of relative density is density of a metal upon density of water. That is equal to 10.8 into 10 cube upon 10 cube. 10 cube get cancelled. So what will remain? 10.8. Therefore, relative density is equal to 10.8. Next, question number 7. Volume of an object is 20 cubic centimeter and the mass in 50 gram. Density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Will the object float on water or sink in water? Answer is given here, sink. It means the density of an object should be greater than density of water if it sinks. Let's start solving this sum. Volume of an object is equal to 20 cubic centimeter given. Mass of an object is equal to 50 gram is given. You have to find density of an object. The formula of density will be density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is given 50 gram. Volume is 20 cubic centimeter. That is density is equal to 50 upon 20. 0 0 get cancelled. You have to divide the number 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Here reminder you got 1. that means you have to continue the division after the decimal point. 0.0 you have to take. 0.0 you have to bring it down after taking decimal point. 2 5s are 10. When you are taking this decimal point here on dividend, in quotient place, that time you have to write the decimal point. 10 minus 10 is 0. You got the quotient 2.5. That is density is equal to 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. In question, density of water 1 gram per cubic centimeter is given. This is density of an object you got. Density of an object is greater than density of water. Hence, the object will sink in water. Now, we will solve question number 8. The volume of a plastic covered sealed box is 350 cubic centimeter and the box has a mass 500 gram. Will the box float on water or sink in water? What will be the mass of water displaced by the box? Answer is given here, sink. It means density of a box should be greater than density of water. This sum is same like question number 7 how we have solved. Density of water we should take 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Volume of a box is equal to 350 cubic centimeter. Mass is equal to 500 gram. Both volume of a box and mass is given. You have to find density of a box. The formula of density will be density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is 500 gram and volume is 350 cubic centimeter. That means density is equal to 500 upon 350. 0 0 get cancelled. So you have to divide 50 by 35. I have already divided here. When you divide 50 by 35, you are getting the quotient 1.428. That means density of a box is equal to 1.428 gram per cubic centimeter. Density of water is equal to 1 gram per cubic centimeter. That means density of a box is greater than density of water. Density of a box is greater than density of water. Hence, the box will sink in water. If you understood these science sums, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.